Setting up lead nurturing in Salesforce is crucial to building stronger relationships with your leads, guiding them down the sales funnel more effectively. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up lead nurturing in Salesforce in just a few simple steps that you can implement immediately. Stick around till the end, because I'll share some hidden Salesforce features that will boost your lead nurturing strategy, plus an exclusive offer for a free trial you won't want to miss. First thing you'll want to do is set up your lead scoring system. This helps you determine which leads are worth your time and which need more nurturing. In Salesforce, go to Setup, then search for lead scoring in the Quick Find box. You can create custom fields to score leads based on their activities, like email opens or website visits. This way, Salesforce can automatically prioritize your leads based on their level of engagement. Next thing is setting up your lead assignment rules. This ensures that the right leads are sent to the right team members for follow-up. You can set up rules that automatically assign leads based on certain criteria like location, company size, or lead source. To do this, navigate to Setup, then search for Lead Assignment Rules. Click on New and create your rules based on your needs. The third thing you'll want to do is automate your lead nurturing emails. With Salesforce, you can set up email templates and workflows to send personalized follow-up emails to your leads. To get started, head over to Setup, search for email templates, and create a series of personalized emails that will be sent automatically based on where the lead is in your sales funnel. Next, it's time to create lead nurturing workflows. These are the automated processes that will trigger certain actions based on the behaviors of your leads. For example, if a lead opens an email but doesn't respond, you can set up a workflow that sends a follow-up email after a certain amount of time. To create a workflow, go to Setup, then search for Workflow Rules. Here, you can set up actions like email alerts, tasks, or field updates to be triggered at specific times. Another key step in effective lead nurturing is tracking the performance of your efforts. In Salesforce, you can use reports and dashboards to track how your lead nurturing campaigns are performing. Go to Reports, then choose New Report and select the lead's report type. From here, you can build customized reports that will give you a clear picture of which nurturing efforts are working best. The final thing I'll mention is integrating third-party tools with Salesforce. Tools like Pard or HubSpot can help enhance your lead nurturing campaigns with advanced features like lead segmentation, scoring, and email marketing automation. You can easily integrate these tools with Salesforce to create a seamless nurturing experience. To do this, simply go to Setup, search for App Exchange, and find the tool you want to integrate. As I mentioned earlier, Salesforce is available for completely free through the first link below, with exclusive bonuses for you. So if you're looking to improve your lead nurturing strategy, make sure to take advantage of that free trial. Setting up lead nurturing in Salesforce doesn't have to be complicated, and with the steps we've covered today, you're ready to optimize your process and start seeing results. Be sure to check out the extended free trial linked below and let me know how these steps work for you. Thanks for watching.